Opto Diode is a leading provider of a variety of optoelectronic solutions. We have been illuminating industries since 1981, quite literally. After being acquired by ITW in 2008, we have continued to push the boundaries of technology. Our culture here is one of a customer-led innovation, for sure, and a relentless pursuit of excellence through delivering quality products. By embodying ITW's core values, we foster a very inclusive and diverse work environment.
Here at Opto Diode, we specialize in medium volume custom photodiodes, LEDs, IR emitters, and detectors. Our dedicated sales team is here to understand your unique specification requirements and provide expert guidance every step of the way.
As the engineering manager at Opto Diode, my team and I work closely with customers to design photodetectors and optical assemblies. These are used in critical applications such as semiconductor processing, medical diagnostics, military, and industrial safety equipment. The stability of our UV photodiodes is the best in the world, which makes them perfect for monitoring DUV and EUV light sources used in semiconductor lithography.
Here at ITW Opto Diode, we take pride in upholding the highest standards of quality and precision in everything we do. Our team is not only dedicated to delivering exceptional results for quality and on-time delivery, but also fostering a supportive and collaborative environment.
Just across the walkway from our assembly and test floor, we have a 7,200 square foot wafer fabrication facility. And unlike many other companies, we are able to take a new product from design to process development instantly, providing necessary feedback every step of the way.
Our devices are designed to integrate seamlessly into various applications, ensuring optimal performance and reliability for our clients. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond the initial sale, as we provide ongoing technical support and resources to ensure our customer success.
At Opto Diode, we prioritize excellence in every chip we produce. Our rigorous quality management processes ensure unparalleled reliability and performance, empowering your innovations with the confidence they deserve.
At Opto Diode, we understand the critical importance of maintaining secure and up-to-date systems. Every day, I'm committed to ensuring that our network infrastructure is robust, reliable, and resilient.
At Opto Diode, we do not just provide components, we deliver tailored solutions that ensure innovative performance and invention for your specific needs. Partner with us to experience unparalleled expertise and dedication.